Hey guys, in today's vlog, I'm actually going to show you how to wash clothes and also how to dry them inside, because I don't usually do it myself. My parents do it for me. So I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what it looks like. So here's my laundry, we got that, and then you guys see a code on here? That's basically your machine ID, and if you don't have the coins, you would just swipe over here, in which I got my Kel ID right over here. Once you swipe, you put your clothes in, and then you put in the dispenser, your softener, and also your detergent. So I'll show you guys that right now. So I actually have my friend here. She's Ivy.
Hello.
And she's in the same astronomy class as me.
We have a lot of similarities that I didn't realize, but...
Yeah, so we share the same bucket list. We both want to go to outer space and travel the world.
Yeah.
And
we like to edit videos.
Yes.
Do vlogs.
Yes.
Music, right? Do you like music?
I like music.
Okay.
I like EDM.
I like EDM too.
Oh my god.
Music, we're both Asian.
We are both Asian, yeah. Everyone on this floor is Asian, so...
Not everyone.
Oh, not everyone, but we're all in the A path.
Yeah.
There's one or two that's not.
Let's see, what else? We have a lot of similarities, basically.
Yeah, and oh wait, did I already mention we take astronomy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. So last night, there was supposed to be an activity. Okay, stop. There was supposed to be an activity on the top of, it's like a talc building, so that's where you view the telescopes and everything, but it was canceled, and I had to walk back from there, and that was so frustrating. So
we went on Tuesday, but he was busy sleeping. He was like, I'm so tired, I don't want to go out to watch a star party, and he was like up at 8.
Okay, well I have an excuse. It's because as you all know, I'm in Army ROTC, so I have to wake up at 5:30 every single day.
I was up at 5:30 as well.
Okay, she was. Okay, every single day except for Mondays. I can't even do that. I don't usually do that, so I guess I have to be accustomed to it. Yeah. Cool. Alright. Subscribe, yes. So after you put your laundry inside, you just close it. And I got the fabric conditioner over here and also the detergent. So there's actually a couple of spots. You just pour the detergent inside here. And then the fabric conditioner would just go by the left side. So bam, we got it, and then we just put it inside. And then since there's a code over here, you just swipe your card right here.
Wait, Vince.
Yes.
Why do you still use Downy? It's all about Tide Pods now.
Well, I'm not a big fan of Tide Pods,
Efficiency.
so I try to use Downy. Okay. And that's basically $2.
Happy birthday.
Then hit start.
Your card was issued 36 days before mine. Keep up.
36 days? No, more than 36 days. Like 2 months.
What the fuck? Wait, it's gonna... There we go!